If you're acne prone, combination skin or oily skin, this video is exactly for you, so watch it until the end. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chandni, and if you're new here, then do take a moment to subscribe and also ring the bell. So for today's video, I'll be reviewing the entire plum green tea range. The main reason why I went for this range is that this range has glycolic acid. Now let me quickly tell you in brief what this whole acid is all about. Firstly, glycolic acid should be used in a controlled amount, okay, and I've never used it directly on my face like in its purest form. I have always used it through some products and all that. It reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and also serving as an anti-aging product, and it's also a great exfoliator. I mean, like acne basically is caused due to all those dead skin cells, like all those dead skin remains which stays on your face. Like one of those reason is this as well, so it really helps you get rid of all those dead skin. So yes, bye bye acne. So that's all about the glycolic acid. I just gave you a little insight about this acid. So now let's come to the whole plum green tea range that I have bought. So basically I had ordered for these 5 products from Plum, okay, and of course one is their toner, which I absolutely love. I have been using it since very long, like literally it's been 4 months I guess. Okay, this is my 3rd bottle I believe. And yeah, one is their green tea pore cleansing face wash, and the third one is their green tea clear face mask, and the fourth one is their quite hyped renewed clarity night gel, which I'm definitely gonna talk further in this video. And then we also have green tea mattifying moisturizer. Okay, so the first product that I'll be talking about is the Plum green tea pore cleansing face wash. Now the best thing about Plum is that they are cruelty free and also 100% vegan. Now coming back to the product, this retails for rupees 345, which I'm sure you can get on a great discounts at times. Like you just need to check their website. Also it's available on Flipkart, Amazon and Nykaa, and yeah, I'm sure in some other website as well. And yes, it's also on Purple now, so you can definitely go and just grab the best discounts as possible. So this is how the packaging looks like, and let me show you up close the whole texture of this product. So basically it comes in a very transparent white gel kind. See, it has got really very small beads which will definitely work as an exfoliator. Okay, it smells really good, and trust me, this fragrance is something which will not disturb you at all. I mean, I also don't like those strong fragrances. It really overpowers the whole thing, but this is such a mild fragrance that you will literally love it. And this fragrance is something which goes around in the whole range, like almost the whole range. This is the exact fragrance that is there. Now the second product is the green tea clear face mask. This face mask is really great for acne prone and combination and oily skin. I mean, it can really do wonders on your skin if used properly twice a week. I mean, just look at it. It comes in a cute glass tub with a good sturdy lid. Okay, and as soon as you open it, then there's your product, and the texture and everything is so damn good. Like you can just see, like it's quite creamy, and it also says no mean mask, so definitely it will never be mean to your skin. Now the third product from this range is their plum green tea mattifying moisturizer. Now this moisturizer is something that all the oily skin people should strive for. I mean, it's a mattifying moisturizer, and trust me, it will not mattify your skin to some different level, but it will keep that balance which is required for an oily combination or acne prone skin. Now let me show you the texture. It basically comes in a pump kind of a bottle. Okay, and just see, the texture is something like this. And this is so good, trust me, literally very good. It has literally, just see, observed in my skin so well. Wow, and I'm feeling so hydrated. Like mera hand bhi, just see, can you see that sheer shine? I mean, wow, look at it, and smells amazing. And the next product is the green tea renewed clarity night gel. Now this is my best product. Like personally my favorite product from this whole range. Now this also comes in a glass tub with a sturdy lid as well, okay? And trust me, whenever you apply it on your skin now, you'll get that luxurious feel. It's so damn good. And you know, it also comes with something like this, जिससे आप आराम से अपना जेल निकाल के लगा सकते हो, and you don't have to poke your finger inside the whole tub, okay? And just see the texture. It's so yummy, I swear. I just feel like eating it. Wow, it's so damn good. Would you like to eat it? I would definitely love eating it, okay? So the texture is also really great. See it. Can also put it on my skin. Like, see the texture, guys. It's so good and amazing. It's giving me that healthy shine. And yeah, I mean, it's great. It feels so damn luxurious on your skin, you know? Like, wow. I literally love it, and it's a big thumbs up from my side. Now last but not the least, I'm gonna show you my green tea alcohol free toner, and this is something I am extremely crazy for, you know. Like, I am someone who has dry and sensitive skin, and also, you know, I have kind of a combination skin, but this works amazingly for me, amazingly. This is the third bottle that I'm using, okay? And you literally feel that, you know, this is water. Like, आपको कुछ लगेगा ही नहीं. You literally feel अरे ये तो पानी है. What the hell will it even do to your skin? But trust me, it's so damn good na. And you will not feel any results in the first week, okay? This is something I'm telling you out of my own experience. Like, for the first week I was like, "Arey, it's doing nothing." But after the week, it started its magic. And trust me, glycolic acid as a toner is like wow. And the best thing about this toner is that it is alcohol free, and alcohol should definitely not be in your skincare. Like, this is what I personally feel. And also does it has aqua, which is water, glycerin, which is amazing for your skin, and also castor oil. Now castor oil, I really don't have to explain you how beautiful castor oil is for your skin, for your hair, and for everything. Also does it have green tea as mentioned. And yeah, glycolic acid is definitely there, and has got no parabens, and it's sulfate free, it is SLS free, and like wow, I mean, plum goodness, you have literally done a great job. So this was basically the blah blah thing. Now comes the actual thing where I'll just try on the whole thing and show you guys, so just stay tuned. So अब हम अपने स्किन केयर के प्रोसीजर में ही चलते हैं. So सबसे पहले of course we'll be washing our face with this green tea pore cleansing face wash. So yes, I'll be taking a decent amount. Also, I had some leftover, okay, so I'll be using it. Why waste? So I need some water definitely. For that I have to go, so just wait. You know, the small beads are literally scrubbing my face as well, you know. Now I need some water. I need to wash my face properly, so just stay tuned. So guys, I washed my face, and my face feels so good. Like, seriously, you know, like normally whenever I wash my face now, I literally have to run in search of a moisturizer because I really feel so dry. But today I am literally not feeling nothing like that, you know. It has actually taken off the whole dead skin and everything out of my face, but it's still not drying on my face. So this is something I really need to, like, I'm really impressed with this. Now the second product that we'll be trying is their plum green tea clear face mask. Now yes, let's try it. I just can't find the brush I use to apply face masks, so yeah, I'll be using my hand only for this. I'll just take out a decent amount of it, okay? Let's see if this much works. Make sure that your skin is little, you know, it has a little water. उससे क्या होगा ना, ये अच्छे से आपकी स्किन में मतलब glide हो पाएगा, वरना it will get all sticky. Like, I have a little water on my face right now. As you know, I've just washed my face, so it's perfect. it's looking like a foundation, I feel. Oh god, it's so funny. Don't put it under your eyes. I'm sure you already know this because that area is supremely sensitive. So now we'll wait for another 15 to 20 minutes. We'll just let it dry and then I'll be back. So guys, my face is completely dried now. Now I'll just wash it and I'll be back. So guys, I'm back. I have washed the face pack and my skin is feeling so, like soft, like literally baby soft. It's feeling so clean and soft and good and cute. I can literally see how clean, like all my pores and all, everything feels so damn clean. So yes, this face pack is a big yes from my side, okay? And now we'll further move on to our plum green tea alcohol free toner. Now I don't use any cotton pad for it. I directly take a good amount of it and I just dab it like this, and then I just dab it like this on my skin, okay? And as I told, don't forget your neck. Neck is really important, guys, really important, okay? I will just let it soak in. We'll wait for good 1 minute or say 30 seconds. Now that the whole toner has been soaked in by my face, I'll be moving forward with my Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel that I love, absolutely love, okay? So I'll be taking a decent amount of this with the help of this thing, okay? Like I think this much will be enough, okay? Ooh, it's falling down. Yeah, I mean that will be enough, I feel. Okay, now let's just, wow guys, it feels so damn good, trust me. I feel like, I just can go and sleep right now. I'll finish off with a cute lip balm that I recently got from Nykaa. This is the Wadi Ultra Moisture Lock Strawberry Lip Balm. I'm using it since past 3-4 days and I'm absolutely loving it, trust me, okay? Like, it's so damn good. I didn't use the Plum Mattifying Moisturizer because abhi daytime nahi hai, it's night, so yes, I can't use it. Now let me tell you, my skin is little dry and also little combination kind of, and pimples bhi hote hai, so it's kind of a combination skin, but it has also done wonders on my skin. I literally don't feel any kind of dryness or anything such. It has given me brilliant results. So yes, if you want to go further with this products or this range, then just go forward. I'm giving a big thumbs up for this. Yes guys, that was the whole insight that I have to give you guys about this whole range, and I hope you guys really liked it and definitely gained some knowledge whether to buy it or not. In case you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to give a big like, and also if you haven't subscribed, then please go and subscribe and also ring the bell. So yes guys, see you next time. Bye.